The mountains of snow are amazing. This reminds me of when we were growing up and we had the snow in '67. And when they started moving the snow around, we had giant mountains that were like 20 feet tall, like at the corner of Clyde and 81st Street. They're really nice right now. Not too much wind. It's cold, but it hasn't started to drop yet. Supposed to get down below zero tonight with a pretty cold wind chill. Looks like everybody got out and made some efforts to get their some kind of a path to the street. The snow is stuck together pretty nicely too. Here comes a giganto plow. A very wide, awesome plow. Let's wait for a second and see. That's a nice plow.